I'm the realtor, Eric Corder. Let me tell you 3 things I love about 3028 Volcano Road in Walker, West Virginia. The first thing is, well, you're looking at it. Also, you're listening to it. The second thing I like about this place is the driveway. It's steep, it's rough, it's ruddy, it's gravel. Sometimes at the end of a long day, you just need to let out a little aggression and climb a hill. The third thing I like about this property is you need to drive through Claywood Park, which is beautiful, but also super fun. If you're looking for serenity and adventure and a little bit of fun, 3028 Volcano Road is it. If you want to be boring and live in town and have a flat driveway made of concrete and have zero fun, I can help you with that too.